Hey, what's up? Phrase of the day is by all means. By all means. It simply means certainly, definitely, surely. Right? So I'll give you sentences, you'll understand. Let's say if I ask you, hi, can I come to your house for a cup of tea? You would say, sure, by all means. मतलब आप इजाजत दे रहे हैं, yes, why not, definitely, certainly, जरूर आइए, surely, right? So if you're allowing me to do something, right? So when you allow someone to do something, you give your permission, you say by all means. I'll give you one more example, and ये थोड़ा funny example है. जैसे मान लीजिए अगर आपने बहुत exercise करी और अच्छी body बनाई, then I will tell you that since you worked hard on yourself and you've made a perfect body, you are now allowed to show off by all means, right? So if you've made a good body, it's your right. You can wear whatever you want. You can dress the way you like, and you can show off by all means because you've earned it. All right. So I hope this helped, and remember to make a sentence and write in the comment section. And if you like the video, then like the video. If you learned something out of it, and do consider subscribing if you haven't already. And if you have already, tell others about it. It's your duty. Okay. This is Amit Dubey signing off. Bye.